We're going to explain how to get Bleach Brave Souls full screen on your PC. 1. First, you need an emulator. Popular choices include LD Player, Nox Player, and BlueStacks. Download and install your preferred emulator. 2. Once installed, open the emulator and search for Bleach Brave Souls in its App Store. 3. Download and install the game. 4. After installation, launch Bleach Brave Souls. 5. Now the key is finding the full screen option within the game settings. This might be slightly different depending on the emulator you use or even game updates, but generally, you'll look for settings related to display, graphics, or video. 6. Look for options like full screen mode, display mode, or something similar. 7. If you find a direct full screen toggle, simply switch it on. 8. Some emulators might not have a dedicated full screen button within the game settings itself. If this is the case, you may need to use the emulator's own settings to force full screen. 9. This often involves accessing the emulator's settings menu, usually a gear or settings icon. Look for settings that control the display or window size of the application. 10. In the emulator settings, look for options such as full screen, windowed full screen, borderless full screen, or similar. Experiment with these settings to see what works best. Borderless full screen is often a good compromise between true full screen and windowed mode. It removes the window border but still allows easy access to your desktop. 11. If the game still isn't full screen, try restarting the emulator or even your computer. 12. If you're still having problems, check for updates for both the emulator and the game itself. Outdated versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues. 13. Additionally, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can sometimes lead to display problems. 14. Finally, if none of these methods work, consider searching online forums or the game's support website for more specific solutions related to your particular emulator and version of the game. Remember to specify your emulator when searching for help. You might find a community solution or a known workaround for your specific setup.